In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive in Smartsheet. Archiving in Smartsheet is a great way to keep your main working sheets clean and focused, while still keeping older or completed items safely stored for future reference. Instead of deleting rows you might need later, you can move them to a dedicated archive sheet. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that step by step. First, open the Smartsheet where your active work is stored. This is the sheet that currently holds the rows you want to archive. Make sure you're in grid view so you can easily see and select your rows. Once your sheet is open, click to select the row or rows you want to archive. You can select a single row or hold down Shift or Control to select multiple rows at once, if you're archiving several items together. With your rows selected, move your mouse over the row number on the left side of the screen and right-click. This opens a context menu with several options that apply specifically to the rows you've selected. Right-clicking is important here, because that's how you access the command we need in Smartsheet. From this menu, look for the option that says Move to another sheet, and click it. This is the key action that allows you to archive. What you're doing here is telling Smartsheet that you want to take the selected rows out of your current working sheet and place them somewhere else. That somewhere else will be your archive sheet. A window will appear showing a list of available sheets in your Smartsheet account. In this list, locate the sheet you use for archiving. It may be called something like Archive or Project Archive, depending on how your workspace is organized. Click on that archive sheet to select it. If you don't see it at first, you can scroll or use the search bar to find it more quickly. Once you've selected your archive sheet, confirm the move. Smartsheet will show a prompt asking if you're sure you want to move these rows. Review your selection to make sure you're moving the right items. When you're ready, click OK. Your selected rows will now disappear from your active sheet and be moved into the archive sheet you chose. You can open that archive sheet anytime to review or restore information as needed, while keeping your main sheet clear and focused on current work.